In this short video, I'm doing a slab piece. This is something that I'm not very familiar with because you'll know that most of my work's done on the wheel. However, I've prepared a block that I've measured. I'm rolling it out using sticks on either side of the rolling pin to gauge the thickness. Now using a template to cut around so that this is a shape I can reliably repeat. And it's a nice piece of ply that will resist water. I'm using the same template to be a ruler to carve a small indented line to give my tray a border, which in fact I will then be filled with glaze, so it'll make an interesting detail, just cleaning up at this stage and rounding off that inner carved border. And now I'm lifting it off the board while it's still quite supple and putting it onto a wooden former that I've made because I want the tray to have upcurved edges. So the clay is still soft, quite soft at this point, so that it doesn't crack when I'm laying it on the former. And I'm just lining it up to make sure I've got it exactly straight on the mould, and then I'll leave it there to dry off for a while.